Now this piece here is a watercolor and ink, and let's see, Fung chip, the 1951. Actually, this is late, Chinese work, but you got to love the multiple points of view and perspective that's in this work. Quality museum piece, to say the least. I'm filming it like this because I'd like you to get lost in the art of it. I'll follow this up with some stills also. I already took some stills. Look at what's going on there. Yeah. It's a combination, evidently, of traditional Chinese art and more modern art from the 50s, after the war, post-war. And there's a duck. Ducks are always good. It's one of the finest pieces I've seen. I would buy this off the shelf if I could buy it for a few $100s. I'm sure I can't.